NaJae back with another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about essential oils for black spots. So pretty much hyperpigmentation. People have asked me what essential oils are out there, what can help, what can even out, what can get rid of them. So I've listed 7 essential oils that I personally have on me that I use in my everyday lifestyle. I know there's a bunch of different oils. People use different ones than I do, but these are the ones that I know that really help and really work. So one is going to be lemon essential oil. And everybody who knows me knows I love lemon essential oil, lemon water, lemonade, everything. So that's nothing new. But the lemon essential oil helps lighten skin as well as even out skin tone by dissolving the dead cells at the surface of the skin. And when you do add lemon essential oil to you want to add it at night because it is a citrus oil and it's very photosensitive. So you want to be aware of that. The second one that I found out, carrot seed essential oil, and it's super rich in beta carotene. I don't know if I said that right, but that was mentioned. And it reduces pigment formation. So that's really good. Lavender essential oil is the next one. And if you've watched I believe there's a video that I've talked about lavender essential oil, and that is oil that had me started with essential oils altogether. But this one is known as a skin soothing oil. And I know that personally because growing up with eczema, I know how that can be. So I've used that a lot in my products on my skin, and it's really helped a lot. It's good for calming skin irritations and rashes, has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's good for fading off scars and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation caused by acne scars. So that's a really good one to have on hand. The next one's going to be frankincense essential oil, and that is a really good one to use in skincare products. Best known for its effective scar treatment. So it's good for reducing hyperpigmentation on skin. It has antiseptic and healing properties, and you can use frankincense oil to brighten dull skin and get rid of dark hyperpigmentation. So you can apply right on your face. If you have sensitive skin, they recommend using a carrier oil of your choice. But if you don't, you can apply it right on the desired area that's needed. Rose essential oil. I'm not a fan of the smell of rose essential oil, but like they say, if the smell of an oil is not your favorite, then you need that oil. So maybe I probably need to use that more. But it has been used in It has been used in skincare since ancient times. It's used to heal acne, pimples, eczema, and other inflammatory skin conditions, sagging skin, and much more. So there's a bunch of different uses for rose essential oil. It also rejuvenates and brightens dull and discolored skin, so it can also be used to even out hyperpigmentation. So there go another one. The next one is geranium, and I actually like the smell of geranium now. I've been using it lately on different things that I've been using it for, but that's for another video. I'll let you guys know my secret later. But it has a balancing and calming effect on the body, mind, and soul. It has a lot of beauty benefits for the body, including fighting acne, clearing skin congestion, healing skin inflammatory conditions, and much more. And it's also effective in lightening of scars, blemishes, and dark spots. So, and then my last one's going to be bergamot. People pronounce them differently, essential oil. But it's very beneficial because of its strong microbial, antiseptic, and astringent properties. It's antiseptic and, oh yeah, I already wrote that. But, okay, so I wrote that twice. But it helps protect the skin from acne, causing bacteria and other germs that irritate the skin. Its astringent properties help reduce excessive oiliness while toning and firming the skin. It encourages skin regenerations. And healing, which is excellent for preventing new scars and fading old ones. So that's really good. So Bergamot is a good one for even the old ones that you have and you think you can never get rid of those scars. You can add it right on your skin and it heals that right there. And then it helps even out skin tone by regulating the distribution of melanin. And just like lemon essential oil, when you use bergamot essential oil at night only because of the citrus oil itself, because it's only, if you use it during the day, it will make a dark spot. So if you're trying to prevent that, you want to use it at night in your skincare routines. But those are just the 7 essential oils that I found interesting that I want to share with you guys on what's good for getting rid of dark spots, helping to even your skin tone out. If you have any more questions, you can leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other oils that you use that helped in the past, or, you know, just let everyone else know what you've been using. Okay? I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.